Hey everybody, there's just a quick little thing we all have to do before the video starts, and that is to thank Sennheiser for making it possible for this video to exist, and for improving the audio quality of everything I record in this video. I reached out to Sennheiser myself because of everything I've tried in terms of headphones and microphones, Sennheiser has been the brand that's always blown my mind. So in this video, we use the MKE400 to record the water drops. And my favorite thing about this mic is being able to plug my headphones in and listen to what I'm recording real time. I think this is a great mic and it sounds excellent. And I'm not really surprised. Sennheiser makes really good stuff. So there's nothing really I can say except listen to the video and judge for yourself if that audio is dang good.